kids, hope you all are having fun. Yes, wow, I'm so excited and thrilled to meet you all in the classes. I hope you also feel the same. Yes, great children. Now it's time for all of us to learn something more about WH word family. In the previous class, we have learned about where and when. Where का मतलब होता है कहाँ. Where is used to ask question about a place or know about a place. Like, where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you coming? आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो? So whenever you have to ask a question about a place, always use the word where. Always use the word where. Let's all learn the use of word where with the help of few examples. As you can see, the rabbit is on the chair. The rabbit is sitting on the chair. So now, how are we going to use the word where? We will ask the question, where is the rabbit? Rabbit कहाँ पर है? The rabbit is on the chair. The rabbit is on the chair. Now you can see there is a yellow or a car, and there is a driver. So what question we will ask? Where is the driver? The driver is in the car. Where is the driver? The driver is in the car. Now you can see there is a dog on the bed. So what question are we going to ask? Tell me fast, children. Where is the dog? The dog is on the bed. Where is the dog? The dog is on the bed. Very good. Now you can see there is a girl who is climbing a tree. So where is the girl? Can you see? Yes. So what question are we going to ask? Where is the girl? Where is the girl? And the answer is, the girl is climbing the tree. The girl is climbing the tree. Like, any of your friend has gone out from the class, so you can always ask, where is the boy? Where is the girl? Where is she? Where is my sister? Okay, I'm going to give you few examples. You have to tell me what WH word you will use. Like, dash is my watch. Where is my watch? Right. Dash is my book. Where is my book? Very good, children. You have learned so well. Okay, children. Now we have learned about when. When का मतलब होता है कब. When means कब. कब हुआ ये सब? Right? So you can always ask the question, when. When means कब. When is used to ask question about specific moment of time. As, when are you coming back? आप कब आ रहे हो? When are you going to the mall? I am going to the mall at 3 p.m. or 1 o'clock. Right? So they are asking you to answer with the time. When do we use when? With the time to ask question about time. As you can see in the picture. As you can see, the boy is getting up, is awake. So the question is, when do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. The question is when. The question is when. जब हमने when use किया, so we come to know about the time also. Let's learn from the another example. When do you take your breakfast? I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Now you can see the boy going to the school. So what question are we going to ask? When do you go to